guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. I just came out of my Pilates class. I go once a week and it is so fire. It's Legree Pilates, so it's Pilates using a Megaformer, and it is so challenging but so good. And of course you go at your own pace. It's low impact. I just do it once a week, but it really has transformed my core strength. Yeah, it's just so good. But it is cold outside. It says it's 12 degrees right now on my car dashboard. It had been so hot, like over 30s, like in like the 34-35 degree range. It was so hot. We were sweating, and we don't have AC. Like AC is not very common in Europe. So insane, like to go from that weather to it being so cold, and it's super rainy as well. It's been raining the last few days. One side is nice because I find it really difficult to sleep when it's super hot. That's something that has been really nice. Like I've really been sleeping a lot better, but wow, the change is insane, like so insane. I'm hoping to not get sick. I feel like a little tickle in my throat. Nalia got a cold. We were actually visiting my mom last week. I went on my first like solo flight with Nalia, so it was just me and Nalia. We went to go see my mom and my family there, which was super nice, but she did get a little bit of a cold, and I'm hoping that I don't get anything. So I'm really staying on top of my supplements, my vitamin C especially, my probiotics, my magnesium, my zinc, to help me through this shift. But let me know how the weather has been for you guys. I definitely feel that fall is coming. I do love fall though, but wow, it just came like so quick. We've gotten some new art for the bedroom, which is where I am currently, and we're about to hang these up. I am so excited. We actually have never had any art here above our bed. Just been waiting to find the perfect piece, and these are so pretty. They're simple, light, very like calming pieces, perfect for the bedroom. And I love just like the white simple frame. Just deciding on the spacing right now. I think this looks pretty good. What do you think? Okay. Yeah, this looks good. What is that?
Like stone time, you know, like hammer. Going back into times, guys, you know, remember like we used to be like doing kind of these things without electronics, but like we would build houses, you know, we would be serving the family with our skills. I'm going back into that time. I'm serving Annie today.
Okay, the art is up on the wall and it looks stunning. I love the design, like the soft lines. It's very soothing and peaceful, just perfect for the bedroom. And we've been here almost 3 years and we've never had anything over the bed. So this is a really fun change. And I also love how it draws the eyes up the wall. We do have very high ceilings, so it's nice to have something on the wall that kind of gives a good balance and proportion to the wall. And I got the prints and the frame from a site called Desenio, and I actually have a code for you guys that you can use towards the entire site. They're kindly working with me on this video, and the code is for 45% off, which is huge. That's 45% off their prints, and you can get 10% off their frames. And the code is 45Annie. So if you like these prints or any other prints on their site, you can use that code to save 45% off. So I think that is so cool. If you guys have not heard of Desenio, they offer trendy, high quality Scandinavian prints and frames, and their collection is updated regularly. They also have their own in-house design team that work to bring trendy and unique pieces of art exclusive to Desenio. So they really have something for everyone and every style. And what's great too is Desenio ship worldwide, including to the US. They just opened their new US warehouse, so they can offer US shipping within 2 to 4 days. And again, my code is 45Annie. That will get you 45% off and 10% off all frames. I'll make sure to have the prints that we just hung up. I will have everything linked for you down below if you guys want to check them out. So whenever a new season comes along, especially fall and springtime, I love to do little things around the home to just freshen it up. I love decluttering, organizing little spaces, decoring like with the new art in the bedroom, getting a new plant. I really feel the shift with nature, and I love to tap into that energy and nurture it within my own life as well. So a few of the home refresh things I've been doing lately are things like this, like going through my kitchen drawers, cleaning out the space, just going through all of the items that I have, seeing what I can get rid of, what I can donate, just minimizing and decluttering the things that I'm not using. I just love how when you have a more minimal and organized space, you're just better able to navigate your things. It just looks more beautiful. You just feel better being in the space. So I love doing this. It just feels so good. And then I'll also tackle some bigger projects. Like I've been meaning to wash our curtains. This one in the kitchen is especially dusty. We have this window open a lot, and as you can see, it's pretty gray. Plus it's also gotten stuck in the door a few times. It's gotten these black stains on it. So we're taking this down, putting a little extra stain remover on those stains specifically, throwing it in the wash with a specific detergent that is for these kinds of curtains, and gave it a good wash. And I did the same with the rest of the curtains here in our living room and also in our bedroom. They turned out so clean and so fresh and white. And this is something that of course I don't do every season. I think it's good to do this about once a year. So yeah, it's nice and fresh now. It feels so good to have these clean. Where are we going? Where are we going? Are we going bye-bye? We're gonna go do something fun? You cutie pie, you. Hi! Hi, baby! Where are we going? What did you say? Yeah, we're in the car. She can say car now too. So we are going to a baby music class today. It's like a music gymnastics class with other kids, of course. The first time that we're doing something like this, so I'm really excited. I think she's gonna love it. She loves being with other kids, and she loves being outside, doing things outside. So hopefully this will be really fun, and hopefully something that we can do on a weekly basis. So are you saying hi? Hi, Nalia.
Bye-bye.
Should we go bye-bye? We gonna go play?
Play.
Play? Yeah, we're gonna go meet some other kids? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Bye. Let's go. Did you have so much fun? Did you have so much fun? Yeah, that was great, huh? Yeah, that was so great. Yeah. We are back from the class. Nalia had so much fun. It was so sweet seeing her like in such a different environment, like with so many babies. I think we were 10 babies in total. Yeah, it was like a huge play area with lots of different like slides and like ladders to climb and little obstacle courses. At one part we had like this tent that they were, you know, like waving like this, and the kids were under the tent at one point, and they had like bubbles, which were like so mesmerizing for all the babies. It was so sweet. It's definitely something that I want to keep doing with her. We also, this is like a side note, but we have not had like consistent help. We used to work with a babysitter that was part-time. I shared this in, I don't know what video it was, but we did have consistent help for a few months, just for like 3 to 4 hours in the afternoon. But very unfortunately, the girl who was working with us is now going back to study. So we have been looking for someone new, and it has not been easy. Nalia is in like a very, I think it's between 12 and 18 months where it's the most intense, where they really just want to be close to the parents, with the people that they know. It's called separation anxiety. So like even if I leave the room just to go grab something and she can't see me for a few seconds, she starts crying. And it's the same with new people. So even with my family, since we don't live near my family, so she doesn't see them very often, even with them it's tough to have Nalia like with them if I'm not there. So bringing someone new in has been really challenging. So it's been like a transitional time for us this last few weeks, and I don't know like how it's gonna go for the next few weeks, months, I really don't know. But to bring all this back, I like to have things like this with Nalia that I can do, like these, you know, gymnastics, music classes that we can get out and have something that we can do together. I would also love to take her to swimming classes. I'm thinking about doing that as well this fall time. So just like finding, you know, fun activities for us to do. She's still pretty young, but like she loved this class. She was having such a ball. Probably could have stayed there for like another hour. So we are definitely gonna go back and do more of that. Now I've just made myself some lunch. I've got an avocado toast and this tuna salad that I shared in one of my more recent vlogs. I'll have the video down below if you guys want to see how I make it. This has still been one of my super easy go-to lunches. So I'm gonna have this with my avocado toast and green tea, and yeah, Nalia is napping now, so I'm going to take advantage of this time, eat, work, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. You got it. You come. Come, good job. Good job, Nalia. Woohoo! Good job. You want to do it again? Yeah? Come, come, come. Yeah, Nalia. Come. Uh-oh. Come, good job. Yeah, come, come, come. Guys, Nalia is walking. Like, what? I still cannot believe it when I see it. I'm gonna insert here the clip where she actually took her first steps. Whoa! Try again. Yay, Nalia. Whoa, whoa. Oh, good job. Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, baby. Go, go, go. Yay. Ooh. I think this was about a week after her first birthday. She doesn't walk like every single day. It's very spontaneous. Huh? Huh, baby? Yeah. I still can't believe it though. Like, it's such a surreal feeling, and when she's walking, like, I just get tears in my eyes because I just like, where's my baby? You're growing so quick, but you're still my little baby. I know you. Yeah, like, so exciting that she's walking now. Well, she's not, like I said, she's not walking like fully all the time, but she has these like spontaneous moments where she'll get up and take a few steps, and it's seriously just the cutest thing ever. She's like waddling, you know. I get like tears in my eyes just thinking about it. Like, she is growing up so quick, and she's speaking so much too. Like, she's saying words and she's communicating like so well. We are like shocked at how well she's communicating even before she's like fully walking. And teaching her words that she can really use to communicate with us, to express her needs, is something that I really have been focused on doing since like she's been a baby. Now she's really picking up on it. So it's the same thing like with sign language. You obviously speak to them for like months and months and months before they, you know, start picking up on it, but they are like sponges. Like they listen to everything and they register everything. It just takes time for them to actually be able to express it as well, but it is so much fun to hear her communicating. Also, if you haven't noticed, we do not have our coffee table anymore. The coffee table is marble and it has hard edges, and it was just a thing that caused a huge amount of anxiety for Mo and I, like her being around the table. She used to get on top of the table. She loves to like climb up on everything, so we just moved it out of the way, and now we actually have this really cool like big open space here, which is actually pretty great. And that's just the season of life that we're in. I'm totally fine with that. Look at you, baby. Oh, my big girl. Yeah, that's a truck. At first everything was car, and now I'm teaching her like bus and truck and bicycle. Huh? Oi! There's a lot of this happening too, just like flopping down. But the diaper is like a good cushion for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Do make sure to check the description box down below for links to everything that I mentioned. I hope that you're all having a beautiful day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.